Facebook where people were taking their snow and saying it was not really snow. I'm in Philadelphia, so I went out back and I grabbed some fresh snow off of like an elevated platform that was under an awning, so it wasn't touched by any, that dog back there or anything. So anyway, here it is. I put it in a brand new plastic cup, and the first thing you notice about it is when you make a snowball, it really doesn't leave any moisture on your hands, which is kind of odd from what I remember. Playing with snow, your hands would freeze. I got the snow maybe about 10 minutes ago from out back. It's still really cold, which is kind of strange. There's been no melting in the cup whatsoever, like no moisture. Okay. But anyway, what they were doing is they were grabbing a lighter and they were burning it, and it turns black. I can understand that just because of the butane. That actually makes sense. But what doesn't make sense is the fact that it like sizzles, and doesn't melt. Like no moisture comes off of it. Like it doesn't drip any water. But what it does is like melts into like a goo, and then reforms into like bubbles of goo, which is really strange. But the craziest thing is the smell. It smells like if you took like model glue and dipped it on styrofoam and lit it on fire. Is what it smells like. Smells like chemicals, straight up burnt chemicals. This is really odd. I did another sort of, I guess, experiment of sorts where I took a piece of paper and lit it on fire and used the paper to burn a piece of it. I figured maybe the butane was reacting somehow and giving it that smell. Certainly, it's giving it the color. I know that. Same thing happened with the paper. It just smelled like lighting styrofoam on fire. Still not melting. Still no melt coming off of it, like whatsoever. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw it in the microwave and see what happens. But all right, I'll post those results when I get to that point.